All right, we're looking at situation 2 now. Once again, if you want to try these two on your own and then check with the video to make sure that you have all the right numbers and that you've interpreted what it's asking correctly, that is great. That is fine with me. I just ask that you are completing these notes to understand so that when you start your project next week, which I'll talk about at the end of the next video, you're fully prepared. All right, so situation 2. Trevor wants to attend Angelo State University. The average cost of a year, we're going to go ahead and highlight that, at Angelo State is $18,706. His grandma will give him a $1,000 gift on graduation day. His parents have saved $8,000 to help pay for his college, and he has been given a federal grant of $1,670 and a state grant of $1,500 for his first year of college. Calculate how much more money Trevor will need in order to pay for his first year at Angelo State. So thinking about this once again as an equation, we have the gap is equal to our total cost minus savings. And I'm just going to write that more generally here because savings can include all of those different methods. So it's more general. And we're going to replace this with the values that we know from the problem. So cost of a year, we see here, is $18,706. And let's go ahead and subtract all of the money that he has for college at this point, so at the starting point for his first year. His grandma's $1,000 plus his parents' $8,000 plus the federal grant, so money from the federal government to pay for his college, $1,670, and then a state grant, so money from the state to help with the cost, $1,500. And then we add all those together, subtract that from the total cost, and when you do, you realize, okay, Trevor needs to still raise $6,536. So that is his gap. Part B says he applies for a student loan to help pay for his college. He was offered $5,444. Does he have enough to attend his first year of college? Well, you can just, look at these two numbers and probably figure out that answer. But if you're not able to just notice that this value is greater than that, we could come over here and do what we did originally. So we have our gap, we have our original gap amount that we just found in part A, and then we're getting this additional money to pay for college. And then you can see if there's still a gap, which there will be. So there will still be a remainder that he would have to save for college to fully pay for his first year. Then part C, if he attends Angelo State for all 4 years, how much will his total cost be? So we know the cost per year is $18,706. So just like with the Texas Tech problem, we're just going to multiply that by 4. And when we do that, we get $74,824 as our total cost for attending Angelo State for all 4 years. Now part D. How much more will he need to earn or save to attend for all 4 years? So once again, very similar to our last part on the Texas Tech problem. We have our gap, and we're going to take the total cost for all 4 years and subtract the savings he currently has. So our cost is $74,824, and I'm going to subtract the gift from his grandma, his parents' savings for his college fund, his federal grant, and his state grant. And remember, those are just for the first year of college, so they do not get multiplied by 4, like the scholarship in the previous problem. And when you put all of that into your calculator, once again remembering these parentheses so that it doesn't just follow order of operations left to right, you realize Trevor would need $62,654,000. Sorry about that, guys. That would be the gap remaining for him to pay for all 4 years. Okay, make sure you have all of this written down. If you went ahead and worked it out and then you're re-watching the video to make sure you have the right answers, make sure you have the right answers. Make sure you have all your work written down so that when you get to that test review, you have these notes there to help you answer the questions. You're not just sitting there confused on when we learned this. All right, once you make sure you have all of this written down, go to the next video.